stream favorite. Bum, 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 bum. So let's go octaves. So right around the GLM Perlin. So I was able to work on this, and I got the movement to be a little bit more smooth. Excuse me, I'm just about getting ready for bed, so I'm just doing a quick little stream here. So where's the GLM Perlin where we're creating the noise? Oh, okay, so right in here. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. So this is actually total noise value, noise data equals temp. Okay, so we're just modifying the noise texture creation. Whoops. Yeah, noise texture creation. So let's go back here. Here's the texture. Low and high, xdiff. Okay, so let's just copy right here. And we're going to comment this out because we're already doing that. And I think it's already going to do that too, so I think we're good. So this is doing what? 4 octaves with a persistence of 0.5. Let's see what difference. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Wow. Oh, cool. Actually, hold up. This is cool. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, look at this. Alright, so that's what octaves do. That's really cool. So now we can go even higher. Bum, 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 bum. So let's go even higher with this. Let's go 75. Is that too high? That might be too high. I don't know. We're not sure. We're just not sure. Computer, did we break it? No. Oh, because of the height. I forgot. So before we went up to what? 25? Okay, so we just need to multiply these by 3. So here. Computer, what are you doing? Oh. It's holding on to my cursor. I don't like it. Multiplied by 3. I think that'll be better. See anything? What's happening? Did we break it? I think we broke it. H equals height. Is height not coming through? Float height. What's going on with height? Height equals a position y. Alright, not exactly sure what's going on there. Why do we compute position right here? We don't send it out. We don't use it. Why do we compute the position right there? Alright, so did I break this? I think we broke it. It's only doing above... What are we doing here? Height is greater than 45. It's because I multiplied the height of the terrain by 75. Let's just go back here. 25, right? So this was 15. 5 and 15. Computer, don't take my cursor like that. Stop doing that. Oh, because of the 5 minus. Oh, okay, hold on. We gotta multiply everything. So let's do this then. Let's do a, no, let's just go, let's see, 45. And then this needs to be 15 minus 20 minus h. Hold on, that was 5 minus 20 minus h before. So that's got to be 60, right? Yeah. And then 15. Okay, so just keep multiplying by 3. Theoretically. Okay, 15 minus h. We're going to change that to 45. Alright. 15, 15, 15. Alright. Did we change it back to 20? No. Now we got a lot of water. It's a very watery terrain, this one. Lots of water, folks. Okay, so 15 minus... I think we're breaking too much stuff here, Jeff. If it's less than 15, then you want 15 minus the height. Alright, let's go back for a second. Oh, it's 25. Oh, you're an idiot, that's why. Pure idiot. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks for... Oh. What in the world? Okay, a little spiky. I got you. Whoa. There is no... Okay. Let's go up here. Let's go to the top. Alright. Can we see any... Alright, I don't see any water, so... Did we break the water? Is that all that happened? I think we broke the water. Which, I was just looking at that, and I was trying to correct it, right? 15 minus 15 minus... So if it's less than 15, it should be 6, 0... Wasn't that 5 before? Yeah, 5. Let's go back. Computer taking my keyboard. That's what happens when I don't. I experiment too much. Alright, can we have it back again? Have you got it? Have we got it? Okay, did we get the water? Have you lost the water? I'm quite thirsty. Have you lost the water? I don't see any water. I shall travel the new desert for miles and not see any water. I don't see it. I don't see water. Alright, I've broken my water. Which is something that usually only pregnant women do. So, kind of worried. Not gonna lie. So what did I do here? 5 minus 5 minus h. So if it's 4, 5 minus 4, okay, is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4 times. So why don't you just go h times 0.2 there? What are we actually doing? Well, I'm just confused about past me decisions. Past me's decisions. Which is true of all of my life, but for now we're just talking about programming. This project in particular. 3D terrain, here we go. Okay, I don't see water. Have you got water? This could be because, what did we multiply by? We got 25, right? Did we have a base? It's just pixel offset times 25. So maybe with the, yeah, because what is the low and the high? Okay, let's look at the low and the high. Can we go to the other screen here real quick? The low is 0.13 and the high is 0.86. So if we're multiplying by what, 25? So 25 by 0.13. Can we get the calculator here? Bet that's the problem. 25 times 0.13. So our lowest is 3.25. Whereas before, okay, so we need to spread that out. So what are we going to do? 0.86. Hold on, it's almost 0.87. Minus 0.13. So it's 0.74 is the actual, what do you call it? Disperse, whatever. So 0.74. So let's take the noise data temp, right, which goes from 0.13. Let's look at it again. What's low and high? All right, just a second here. Yeah, 0.13 to 0.87. 0.13 to 0.87. Okay, so temp, let's just copy this to the line right above there where we're going to normalize 0 to 1. That's what we're trying to do. So what we want to do is, what was this again? 0.87 minus 0.3, 0.74. So how do we get that to 1, right? 1 divided by 0.74. So we want to multiply by 1.35, right? So 0.74 times 1.35 equals 1. Okay, so multiply by 1.35. So first take temp. And then subtract 0.13. Okay, then take that value and multiply by 1.35. There, that'll give us a temp now between between 0 and 1, which is what we want. So we might see some water at this point. Not seeing water, Jeff. Alright, well hold on, we haven't. There's some. Okay, so we do have some water. We do have water. Alright, that's cool. So let's do another thing now, because what I want to do kind of, sort of, maybe is, with the water in particular. So what we're doing is if the height, because right down here we're multiplying by 25, so we're going from 0 to 25. And in the shader, what we're doing is anything less than 5, which is 0.2, right? Which is the bottom 20%. So anything less than 0.2 here, pixel offset. Okay, so let's go like this. So what is this pixel offset? It returns a float. Okay, so GL float temp y equals pixel offset times 25 point there. Okay. Now we're going to go if temp y is less than, in this case, well actually it's just right, okay, right there. So 5 is less than or equal to 5. Then we're going to set it equal to 5. And then right here, instead of using this, we're just going to go temp y right there. Create water surface. I don't remember what that was, and we're deleting it now. Alright, let's see what we get. Let's see what we get now. Have you got water? In this desert land there is no water. We search the land. Alright, Ah, we have water. Oh, and look at, there's some issues. Ah, there's an ish, but there's also an ooh. An issue, creating an issue. So why do we have issues? So the surface looks good, but what's underneath it? So if I take that out, we're fine though. Son of a bean dip. Is it just that line there? Like, what if we leave it like that? Like, why would that even affect it though? Where are we going? This way? Let's go this way. Why would that affect it? I'm just totally curious. Yeah, see, here we're fine. Oh, I see, because it's exactly... Well, let's do this. I think it's because in the shader... Yeah, less than or equal to 5 if it's greater than 5. Okay, so 5 creates a little bit of an issue. Let's make everything definitely 4.9. See water? I see water but no glitch. That's good. Let's see if we can get a bigger body of water. That's the edge. Let's go towards the center, Jeff. Go towards the center. The placenta? Oh. Okay, that looks good. Let's head towards there. Look at that. See, that's an even surface. Alright, now we're halfway to a biome here. Nice. Bum, 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 bum. Let's go a little bit more exaggerated here. Let's go less than 10. See what that does. There'll be a little bit of a... Oh, there's going to be a little bit of a blip, won't there? Unless we change the shader. Yes. See, oh. So now there's a big old cliff. But then there's a surface there. Okay, so hold on. Let's go 10 and 9.9. And let's go to the shader. And just up this to 10. And 10 right there. And I know it's 15 minus that and everything. Okay, let's see. There we go. So the water's a little deeper. A little deeper. That looks better. That looks better. Whoop, where are we at? We're off the edge. Have you gone off the edge of the world? A little bit. We're back though. We're back now. Everything's good. Yeah, see, the water's deeper there. And we can lower and raise the water, you know. That'd be really cool to have different regions with different water and then open up the waterways and oh my goodness, all kind of fun stuff thinking about. So there's a little bit of a dip too. There's like a 0.1 dip. It's not noticeable unless you're a programmer. Or maybe it is a little bit noticeable. Wonder how close we can get it without having the glitch. And it's all about right here, 9.9. So can we go 9.85? I say, is that any better? It is, no glitch. Now it's not noticeable. Nice, very nice. I like that. I like it. Let's go up here. Blah, la, 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 la. So let's see if we can take a screenshot there. Alright, that's good. Blah, la, 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 la. So what I want to do is change that to the Voronoi. I want to animate it and change it to Voronoi. So let's do that. Where is... I have no idea where any of this Voronoi stuff is. Let's go look. Fragment shaders, huh? Bet you it's in here somewhere. In the cube. Just look through here. Pardon me, have you got Voronoi? Peter, you gonna open that? Oh, it decided to. It decided to open it. There we go. Let's look at this. Sorry for the brightness. It's got the time on there. This is the one we want. Okay, what else does it use? N22, text chord, N22, and we're good. Okay, so let's take this into the shader. Then we also want to grab that N22. Where's that at? And we have fascinating, but I don't think we want to use fascinating. But we do want to use the uniform of time, so let's go right here, like that. For now, we'll just have them all look the same, so we'll take out fascinating. And that one, we don't need that extra there. Okay, that's good. Okay. I know I'm breaking stuff, but whatever. Okay, so cube color, cube grid, V-type. Alright. So when we do the water here, regular random grid. Okay, so we're going to go like this. Voronoi. Cube color we're not going to do. Cube grid. Yes. V-type. What is that? Cube min dist. Cell index cube grid. Okay, so let's just go with 0. We're not going to do cube color. Instead, what we'll do is we'll just go inside here. We'll just go vector 3 cube color equals oh, I don't send in the color? What? Oh, we don't send in a color. Okay, that's fine though, because it's blue. We already know it's blue. I think the only time cube color is used is right down here, so we'll just replace that with a vector 3, 0, 0, red, green, blue. There we go. These we're not going to use, so we'll comment those out. Since we are going to use only one type, we don't actually need this. So let's just take out the type as a parameter. Voronoi 6. Alright, that's fine. Now we also need the time for this. So let's go up here and go uniform. Float the time, right? Isn't that the name of it in Voronoi? Yeah, the time. Okay, so let's save that. So let's go back into here. We got to do the uniform. So when we send in a uniform, what we need to do is wait until after use. Okay, right here. And height map shader projection view model gets sent in. So let's do the time right here. Time uniform. Then let's just go height map shader dot set float the time comma glfw get time. I think that's all we have to do. Will that work? Let's see. Let's see. Uh-oh. Okay, in the program text chord, undefined variable text chord. Oh, it's probably spelled different. Hold on. So it's actually f text chord, and in Voronoi, it's right here, f text chord. Yeah. So f text chord, cube grid, all this down here and everything. Okay, I think we're fine. Ah. Oh. Cool. Okay, look at that. Whoa, where'd we go? Went off the map. Alright. Okay, so that's an interesting take on water. Let's go with a different one. Let's try a different one here. Return cube color. Okay, let's borrow this. Instead of cube color here, we're going to go with just blue. There we go. Oh, I think I know what the problem is here. Let's just go with that. And probably the first one will work better. Yeah. It's okay for water. It's not what I was expecting, but it's okay for water. It looks like there's all kinds of little microbes in it. Isn't that weird? Yeah, that's our water. I suppose it does look like waves, the way they're moving in some sort of a pattern. It's not what I expected, though. What's the one we use in the space? Hold on. Space. Well, let's just load the project. Just a second. Just hold on just a second. Or actually, I can look. Downloads. Current build. Is it in this one? Yeah, cube. Okay. It is 111. It's the one that I just copied it from. Right here. Voronoi. So which one was it? Cube grid. Yeah, 0. So 0 cube color min dist times 4. Alright. And then what was the cube grid that's sent in? Do we have one? Oh, 64. Okay, but still. And it's 0, so the first one? Let's take that out. There we go. Now we get some wild stuff going on. Why is it multiplied by 0.2 though? Let's go 0.7. That's more what I was looking for. Okay, cool. That's really cool. So let's do this. There we go. That way it doesn't have a little introduction. A little initialization while it figures out what it's doing. Okay, very cool. This is cool. I should make this part of the demo. Because, I mean, we can have planet worlds like this. We don't have to have them all be voxel worlds. And then the voxel worlds, we can even change those as well, too. Let's see. Let's go. Is this a nice little peek right here to take a screenshot? Is that going to be... That'd be a good screenshot? Sure. Why not? Why not? Let's get rid of that. Let's go here. Screenshot. Well, this has been really fun. This is really cool. I did not expect to be at least, or even this productive, frankly, tonight, because I mean, I'm just about ready to go to bed. Bum, 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 bum. So let's save this one as what? Terrain 05. Alright, I don't think I want to do anything else because I have to start flossing, brush my teeth, and go to bed. So I didn't hear anybody set off the TTS, so if anybody tuned in, thank you so much. Sorry I missed you. Where's my cursor? Did I lose my cursor? Yeah, okay. Alright, well thanks everybody, and have a great night. And I'll see you